Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thank you for coming to watch my video today, which is going to be an unbagging or unboxing video in collaboration with Panda Haul. So first I just want to say hi to my subscribers, my friends, and welcome you, and welcome to my new subscribers. Uh, so it's been about a year since I worked with Panda Hall, and I'm so excited to be working with them again. And they gave me a discount code here. It is YXYT and Diana. So this is a new code that I'll be putting in the description box. So don't pay any attention to any old codes that I used to have for Panda Hall. This is my new one, good until July 2026. So, um, because Panda Hall is a wholesaler of many, many crafty items like jewelry, beads, sewing materials, paper craft materials, yarn if you're a knitter, many, many DIY crafts, just about anything you can find at Panda Hall in their thousands of items that they have on their website. So they are a wholesaler, but even regular customers like us can get in on these good prices. And it's a great place to buy gifts for people too, because they have jewelry all made. You don't have to make it yourself. They have earrings and watches and bracelets and all of that too. So one of the things that I got here are 3 rolls of this 4 millimeter foam. So this was one of the things that came in multiples, and it came in multiples of 3. So this was the most expensive thing that I asked for. And at the time, it was $5.35 for per roll. So it was about 15 bucks, 15, 16 bucks of my order. But I thought it so worth it, because this is not only 12 inches wide, you get 6 feet on each roll. And so I think that's a real bargain for all of this foam. So this has an adhesive backing on it. Let me just peel this back so maybe you can see it. Very sticky. So you know what I'm going to be doing with this. I am probably going to be making shakers. Um, so I'll let you know how it cuts out. I'll be doing a project with it. And I have plenty if things go wrong. So there's the foam. The next thing I got is this metal die. So I've never used this type of metal die. It was $4.12 when I got it, and it is lemons. I don't have any lemon dies, so this will cut out multiple lemons for you and some lemon leaves. And I just thought the shapes were so pretty. We have slices, we have whole watermelons, and I was watching another YouTuber, Laura, at Laura's Plants and Crafts, who also got a metal die like this. And she was talking about how the items are in a direction where you can cut them all out at once. And if you wanted something down here, you could still turn it around and just cut out that part. So this measures 5.5, I believe, wide. Yep, 5.5 wide, and 7.5 long. So this will fit into any of the larger die cutting machines like Big Shot and not the tiny die cutters, but I guess you could also use this as a stencil. and paint it and wash it well with water paints that you can wash off. So I am excited to work with that for $4.12. I also got this that came in multiples, but it was only $2.07 for 2 rolls of this beautiful, well, they call it fabric tape, but it has glitter on all of the flowers. It almost looks like someone put stickles all over it. Let me see if you can see this a little better there. And you can cut these up individually or, use it as the trim in a bigger way. So it's 5/8 of an inch wide, and you get, 2 yards on each roll. So that is pretty good, and I love the color of that. And they call it turquoise. So that is about $1 a roll, which is pretty good. All right, I'll just leave that there. So this next thing that I got is really cute. These are very large rubber charms, and we have this little bunny in her bathing suit with a strawberry on her head and a little flower, and they're like rubbery plastic, I guess you could call it. And these would look great on the end of a dangle or on a tassel, and that might be what I'm going to use this for. I haven't decided yet. So it has the little hole at the top that you can put a jump ring through to hang or put it on a keychain. And it's about 2.5 inches long and about 1.25 inches wide. But I think it's even wider than that. But that's what they say in there. And you get 5 of these for $1.64. I could not believe it. And I I was in love with those prices. So I saw this little guy here. And you got to get out of the pool, Missy, for a second so I can show you Buddy here. And this little guy has his rubber ducky float, and he's got his goggles on. And this is the same size as the other one, and it is just oh so cute. And the same, I would put it on a dangle or a keychain, or if you could drill a hole up and down, you could put it on a pokey tool. But I've never tried that. But it is like soft rubber or plastic. So I really like these guys. And he was $1.69 for 5 of those. And the next thing I saw was this set. And this set comes, I think it's 20 pieces. And this is a set of flat stickers for birthdays. Yes, it is 20 sheets. So each sheet has happy birthday, tomorrow's a new day, smile and be happy, happy birthday, have some candles and a cake with candles, some gifts, happy birthday, this big happy birthday, good day, thank you, smile, another big happy birthday and congratulations down here, some music notes, a banner. So all of these sets of birthday stickers were only $4.11. So that is a pretty good deal for all of these. Now, the more that you order, the bigger of a discount that you get automatically through their specials. And they'll calculate that for you and calculate the shipping. So these are great to gift to people, to put on the outside of packages, to put on the outside of cards, to put on the inside of cards. I just thought of that. And you won't add any bulk to your postage with those. So I have one more thing to show you, and I thought this was a really good deal on their website too. So I don't have any, well, I do. I have a couple of leaf dies, but they're actually too big for most of the flowers that I had. So they had this set of green leaves in all different shades of green. It was $5.55 for 10 packs of this leaf ephemera, and this is what it looks like. You get 6 different styles of leaves, and there are 5 of each, 5 different styles. So you get 30 pieces in each package, 10 packages for $5.55. So these, all of these leaves will be perfect for the size that I have, and even if they're too big, you can cut them. So this is what they look like. You get 6 of each one in these, this really, really dark green, and this green, like a grass green, and then you have like these 3 that are different shades of, I don't know, say sage green. So just imagine all the time you will save die cutting if you don't have to die cut your own leaves, which is my problem. First of all, I don't have any that look this nice, any dies that look that nice, and for 55 cents a pack, I don't think you can go wrong. So I will be doing a project with those. And that was the last thing that I had to show you. So please let me know what was your favorite item. And if you want, you can leave a comment and say which project which product do you want me to work with first, and maybe we can do that, because I don't want to make this video too long. It is as it is, you know. So thank you for watching, everyone. All the information will be in the description box. I would really love to thank Panda Hall for offering to collaborate with me, and don't forget about the discount code there. And check out their social media sites and stuff. I'll see you next time with something new.